Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily scan documents with the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera. So there are two methods of doing that. We're gonna start off with the first one, which is the Notes app. Now here in the Notes app, let's create a new note and let's name it Hard Reset. Now what you guys want to do with it is you guys want to click on three dots right here, then go over to scan, and here we have the position the document in view. So I've got the card right here, I only want to take one side. Now it will take itself automatically, and here what we can do with it is basically we can go here. Now we can adjust it, and I'll chop it like that, save it, and here we have it. Now let's leave it here and click here. Here we have our scanned document. So now we can just go over here and actually try and copy that. We can delete it, we can do anything with it. So this is how our document looks like. Here we have the files. Now we can insert blank page, we can copy it, we can rotate it left, we can rotate it right, we can do anything with it, like changing the filters to grayscale for an example. And now the second option is through the Preview app. So let's open up the Preview app right here, and now let's go over to Preview, click on Scan Documents, and let's place it in view. So let's place it like that, and now let's take a quick picture. It will do itself automatically. So now the photo got taken, we can leave the documents, and it's of course ready for the next scan. You can do it a couple of times. Here we have it, it looks like this. We can definitely see everything, and now what we can do with it, we can adjust it. So let's click here. Now let me cut my fingers here so they don't go into the picture with us. Let's do it like that and click on save here. We can also change the filters to, let's say, grayscale. We can change the filters to black and white, or simply to photo or color. I'll go with the grayscale. And here we can also rotate it and delete it. So now let's leave it here and click confirm. And here we have our scanned document. We have everything in the same color. We can definitely read it now. We can see everything. And that's basically how you guys can easily scan the documents with the camera of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.